Wagwan people, welcome to the second part of a two-part video. The Jamaican guide here. So in the last video we spoke about how to get a son. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can feel free to check it out. You can find that video on this channel, and I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. So in that video we spoke about ovulation and when was the best time to hit. Remember I said if ovulation will take place on a Wednesday, you would need to hit from the Tuesday evening or the Tuesday night. That way when you hit at that time, the egg will already reach. So when the faster swimmers get there, which is the Y chromosomes, one of them will go right ahead and fertile the egg before the X chromosomes, which is the slower swimmers who is carrying the girl. And by the time the X chromosomes reach the egg, it will already be fertilized and the window would be closed. Okay, so that is how you get a son. In this part of the video, now we will be looking at how to get a daughter. So come check out the video and see what go on. Alright, so before we get to the data part, for all of the people them who want to know how to get twins, don't worry, I'll soon get to uno. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you will be notified when I show about the twins video. I have it right as so don't worry. I just push it out. Anytime I reach a certain amount of subs, I go drop the twins video. So just subscribe to the channel. Okay, the data part now. How to get the data? The son will be a lot easier to conceive than the daughter. You might have to try multiple times to get a daughter and might even get a son while trying for the daughter. So you will have to study what you are doing and work out the maths the right way. And I am guarantee it will work. Okay, so when going for a daughter, you would have to hit from a couple days before ovulation occurs. And make sure that by the time she ovulates, all the Y chromosomes will already be dead. Because remember, earlier in the video we talked about the X chromosomes living longer than the Y chromosomes, but move slower. So even though they move slower, this is the advantage that they have. They will live longer. So I would recommend doing it from longer days and coming into shorter days. So if she ovulates on, let's say, a Saturday, you would start from 5 days and work your way down to 4 and 3 days. Me say 5 days because everybody body work different. So I start from the longest days come in. In the previous video we look on how long a sperm live, and it now live longer than 5 days as we did say. So some people body different, some people eat very healthy. Yes, so we start from 5 days, come down to 4 to 3. Okay. Alright, so listen up people. So this month you hit from 5 days before ovulation. Next month, if it don't work, next month she ovulates again, you hit from 4 days before ovulation. And if it don't work the other month again, you hit from 3 days before ovulation. And I don't recommend you going closer to ovulation than 3 days. If you're going closer, you might get a son. If you go from 5 days to 3 days and it don't work, then you try again. You repeat the steps. The other month come, you repeat the steps from 5 days, and then the next month again you go 4 days, and then the next month again you go 3 days. Because as I say, it is more difficult when trying for a daughter than a son. And people don't get it mixed up, don't get it confused. I don't mean say if she ovulate this month, then you're gonna hit it from the 5 day the same month, and then the 4 day the same month, and then the 3rd day the same month. No. This month when she ovulate, 5 days before ovulation. If it don't work, then the next month you go 4 days. If it don't work, then the next month you go 3 days, and you keep repeating these steps until it work. And after you make a hit, you would want to abstain until ovulation has passed. your app won't be 100% accurate. So even after it say ovulation has passed, you would still want to wait until at least 2 days, or if not, you could risk getting a son, because the X chromosomes swim fast and the app might not be accurate, as I said, and every person's body is not the same. Some people fertile window can close really fast, while some might take a longer time to close. If you've been trying to get pregnant for some time and both you and your partner are healthy, then your fertile window might close really fast. So that is why I go do a video for the people who have problems getting pregnant as well. So don't worry, me have one covered. Just subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you will be notified when that video drops as well. So when going for a data, you hit from longer days out. People, when me say hit, you already know what I mean. Guys, if you do not hit, she cannot get pregnant. So me not have to say 40. Alright, so guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you. Any questions or support, or if you have anything to add to this, you can leave it in the comments. Guys, I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. So until next time, stay safe. Oh, and look out for my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my other video on how to get pregnant. That video might give you some more info as well. So until next time, stay safe, people.